We are a leading manufacturer of cable assemblies and wiring harnesses with over 20 years of experience and certifications like ISO 9001, IATF 16949 and ISO 13485. From consumer electronics and medical devices to automotive machine vision and aerospace, we deliver customized solutions that fit your exact needs. Our products include LVDS, EDP micro-coaxial, FFC waterproof molded and industrial cables, all built with top quality connectors from trusted brands like Molex, JST, Tyco and Amphino. We offer a wide range of configurations, from 20 to 60 pins and fine pitch designs down to 0.25 mm using micro-coaxial wires, as thin as 48 AWG. Count on us for reliable quality, fast lead times, and exceptional service that helps you stay ahead. Get in touch today and let